In this video I will show you how can you create a poll on Facebook Messenger. So it's very simple. What you have to do, only you have to open your Facebook Messenger. You can see here I am on my Facebook Messenger. After come here on Facebook Messenger, you have to select in which group you wanna create a poll. So I am simply opening my this group because in this group I want to create a poll. So after clicking on this group, you will can see here this kind of interface, and then you have to click here plus icon. You can see here option plus icon. You have to simply click here plus icon. After clicking here plus icon, you will can see here option polls option. You have to simply click here polls option, and then you have to write here. You can see here what's your poll about. So here you have to ask a question or what you want to do to the poll. You have to write that. So I am simply writing here want to go or wanna go outside today. You can see here I write that, and then you will can see here add option. You have to simply click here yes, yes, and then you can see here another option no, and then you can see here add another option. That's how you can add as many as option you need. And after that you can see here option create poll. You have to simply click here create poll, and then you will can see here your poll have been created. So that's how you can create your Facebook Messenger poll. So this is today's video. Thank you so much.